Hello there.
No one can deny that the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max have a big difference. In this video, we will discuss the difference between them. So, what's the difference between these two phones, and which one should you buy? Let's break it down. First up, the elephant in the room, the iPhone 15's heart, the A16 Bionic chip. Now, many were expecting the A17, but Apple decided to stick with the A16. Is it a letdown or a calculated move? Well, on the one hand, the A16 is still an incredibly powerful chip. It's likely to be faster and more efficient than any other smartphone chip on the market. But on the other hand, it's not a huge upgrade over the A15 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14 Pro. So, is it worth getting the iPhone 15 over the iPhone 14 Pro? If you're looking for the absolute best performance, then yes, the iPhone 15 is the way to go. But if you're happy with the performance of the iPhone 14 Pro, then there's not much need to upgrade. Customizability, or the lack thereof. Android users can deck out their home screens with launchers, widgets, and icon packs galore. Meanwhile, iPhone users have a more controlled experience. Is it time for Apple to loosen the reins? That's a matter of opinion. Some people prefer the controlled experience of the iPhone, while others prefer the freedom of Android. But it's definitely something to keep in mind when choosing between the two platforms. Last but not least, the great divide between the iPhone 15 and the Pro models. Better displays, beefed-up cameras, and longer battery life on the Pros. Is the price difference justified, or are we looking at daylight robbery? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for in a phone. If you want the best possible display, camera, and battery life, then the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the way to go. But if you're happy with the iPhone 15's display, camera, and battery life, then there's not much need to spend the extra money on the Pro Max. So, there you have it, folks, the iPhone 15, with its quirks and charms. Will Apple address these issues in the future? We'll have to wait and see. But for now, the choice is yours. Is the iPhone 15 the right smartphone for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights.